running a little late, but we're on our way to practice. It's Roman and Raul's practice today, and tomorrow is Romy's. Woo! Okay, let's go. You're fishing, Raul? We're done with, oh my gosh, my hair. We're done with Roman's practice, Roman and Raul's practice. It was freezing. It was freezing. Even Romy was cold, and she's never cold. Oh, Romy. Now we're going to go to Mitsuwa and have some fried shrimp. Roman? Yeah. Fried shrimp? Yeah! Oh, my God. Ah! Romy's upset because she wants pizza.
I'm happy now.
You're happy now?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello? You want pizza?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get pizza. You know why?
Why?
Because Mom wants to go home and watch her show. Yay! Right? Is that okay? I am so excited for this show to come out. Oh man, I am so hungry. I can't wait to eat. I'm gonna watch as soon as we get home. Well, we're gonna pick up some pizza because I'm gonna get some pizza for Romy. And we're gonna watch, well, I'm gonna watch Paradise. It's a really good show. It's on Hulu.
People are alive, and I believe your wife is one of them. My name is Terry Rogers Collins. You will release my people. And you will
I'm ready for my show.